ang dugo'y mahalika. Likas sa aking puso, adhikain kay ganda. Sa Pilipinas na aking bayan, lantay na perlas ng silanganan. Wari na tipon ang kayamanan ng may kapal.
Ate Henya, nice kong ihatid ang sulat na ito nang mula pa sa Hong Kong.
You must all understand the meaning of hearing this.
I have orders to stop and close our School of Spanish Language by our Father Curate, Father Felipe Garcia.
Wala ka naman kasi lumalapis ng Friday at Kuraparoko. They are being abusive of their powers. There have been rumors that me and Ate Min have been eating meat during Holy Thursday. Ay, mahabagin langit.
While to carry it on my left hand says that I already have a boyfriend.
Ay, nako! Hindi. Diyos por santo, ano ba yan? If that is correct,
I want you all to understand the meaning of hearing this. If I put it in my right hand, it says that I'd like to have a boyfriend. While to carry it dangling in my left hand, that says I really have a boyfriend.
ay, naku po! Ito, Diyos por santo, mahabaging langit. Ano ba yan, Ate Min? If that is true, we need to be very careful this time.
Ay, naku mga pinsan. Mabuti kaya ang sumunod na lamang tayo sa nag-uutos ng mga Friday. Let us obey the authorities. And besides, we do not want to incur the ire of Father Curate and Father Garcia. He might refuse to give us indulgence and absolution. Mahirap na. At baka sa impyerno pa tayo mapunta. Jesus!
Sa palagay ko, I believe, Mr. Haina will seek Dr. Jose Rizal's guidance. In fact, I am sure of it. Hindi ba naman, sir?
Cut! Good. One last one.